Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my eyebrows. Now, I believe I have about one or two videos showing you guys how I do my eyebrows, but this is like update, I guess, video on how I do my eyebrows. So first thing first, I am going to be using this Morphe M158 brush, and this comes with the brush kit, and it's like this. And I'm just gonna brush my brows into place before I start working on them. So I just go ahead and brush my brows into place like that and like that. So my brows are usually clean, so today they have a little bit of hair over here, which I'm not bothered with. We're gonna clean that, but before I start to fill in my brows or anything, I'm gonna use the Morphe what is this, translucent brow gel, and this is a setting gel. This said a brow setting gel, and it's a clear product, guys. So I'm just gonna like go over my brows with that side to put the product into my brows, and then I use that size, the side that have a lot of brushes, and just brush through it. I guess this helps to keep your brows in place all day. So once that is dry, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe brow pencil, and this is a micro brow pencil, and it's like this, very thin, and they have two sides. All right, so I'm just gonna fill in my brows. So when I'm filling in my brows, I just start to like, excuse me, I don't know how to explain this, but I hope you guys get this. So I just go in starting from, I like to start from in. You could start from anywhere, it don't matter. So I start from the beginning of my brow. I'm just drawing like a line under my brows first. And this just allowed me to see how I want my brows to be shaped. And that's it. And then I go to the top of my brows and just do the same thing, draw a straight line. You could take your time to fill that line in so that you can get it as precise as possible to how you want your brows to be shaped, guys. And that's it, guys. So that's all I do with the brow pencil. And then I'm gonna take my MAC deep, wait, what is it, my MAC brow gel cream, and this is the color Deep Dark Brunette. Okay, so then I just take that same Morphe 158 brush, and I use this side right here to go and just fill in. So I use the cream to fill in my brows, and I use the pencil to outline my brows. So now I'm just filling in my brows, guys. So I just go over the line just to make it really sharp. so that I can see where I'm filling in at. And that's all. And now I just keep adding product till I'm satisfied with how dark it is. And now I'm just gonna have my brush like this and just go upwards, like creating a line kind of, just for the beginning of my brows, guys. I don't put too much product in that area because I want it to look as natural as possible from the beginning of my brows. So I try to be very careful. I'm gonna take my brush, this side of my brush, and I make sure it's clean. And I'm gonna start brushing into the beginning of my brows just to make it fade like it's natural and whatever. So I just go like this. So you gotta be careful because you see I got like a space right here. You don't want that. So I will go in and fix that with my brush because I believe I still have some stuff on my brush. Alright guys, so once it's filled in, I'm just gonna go, and this is in the color brunette. Just regular brunette. So it looks like this. I'm just gonna brush my brows, and I start from where the product is. So this helps for your brows to last all day, guys. I'm gonna use my LAgirlcosmetic concealer in the color font to clean my brows. So to clean your brows, guys, you want to make sure you have a really flat and nice concealer brush, which I do have one, and it's very flat, and it looks like this. Very flat, guys. You want a very flat and nice looking brush for your concealer brush to clean under your eyes. And you can start from anywhere you feel comfortable with to start from. So I like to start from the middle of my brows right here, because I feel comfortable right in that area. And then I just take it all the way down and come back. So one thing you have to know, in order to have that perfect Instagram brows, you don't have to just be a professional to have like a one swoop from the beginning of your brows to the end of it. No, you could take your time, whatever rocks your boat, whatever makes you comfortable. You can work on your own pace, and that's fine. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and start here then. So guys, once I have it like this, then I'm gonna go on top of my brows and just clean it. So I start from the middle too, where I'm comfortable at. So once it's like this, I'm happy with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then that's it. Okay guys, so this is it. This is what it looks like once I'm done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my look, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with the finished look. So I just went ahead and did my, my full face, and this is how I do my eyebrows now. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Please go ahead, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure to hit the notification bell as well, because there will be more video coming up on this channel, so stay tuned to enjoy it. So yeah, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys, love you so much. Mwah.